Hi friends, welcome to Culinary Passion Palette Stories. So what have I got for you today? I have with me a very delicious and wholesome recipe which all your family members are going to appreciate and they're going to love it. So this is one recipe which is very good for the winters. It's a whole meal by itself. Before I start telling you what the recipe is, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on all the wonderful upcoming video recipes that I will share soon. So, let's get to know what the recipe is. Today I'm going to let you know how to make Masoor Pulav. So, let's just check what the ingredients are. I have with me here 1 cup of Masoor dal. This is whole Masoor, this is Akha Masoor dal, which is soaked for about 2 to 3 hours, washed and drained and then soaked, and then I've drained off the excess water. Then I have with me 1 cup of rice, which is washed and I've drained off the water. You need not soak the rice, it'll cook by itself. Then I have with me 1 big onion sliced lengthwise. I have with me again 1 big tomato sliced lengthwise. Here I've sliced all the vegetables, which is the onion and tomatoes, lengthwise because I like to keep it uniform so that it doesn't look odd when you're serving the dish. The next ingredient that we need over here is green chilies. Green chilies again sliced lengthwise. We have 1 big tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And then we have some whole garam masalas. This is 1 bay leaf. And then we have 1 piece of cinnamon. And then you can use 3 to 4 cloves. In case if you want the garam masalas, if you're a big fan of garam masalas, you can have some more. But here I've taken just about 4 cloves. So let's get cooking. And I'm taking some ghee here. This is about 2 tablespoons of ghee that I'm going to use. Once the oil is nicely heated up, then we'll add the whole garam masala that I just showed you some time back, which is the bay leaf, the cinnamon, and the cloves. Stir it a bit and let it fry. Now that the onions are nicely fried, I will now add the ginger garlic paste. Make sure you add the tomatoes after the ginger garlic paste is nicely fried. Now the ginger garlic paste is nicely fried up. The raw smell is not there. Now it's fine to add the tomatoes. I'll just turn up the heat a little bit. Fry the tomatoes only till it becomes a little soft. Ensure you do not make it mushy. We don't need that. Now add salt as per taste. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric, haldi. One small teaspoon of chili powder. Well, if you want to make it a little more spicy, you can increase the number of green chilies that you put and the red chili powder. One small teaspoon of dhania powder. Now is the time to add the whole Masoor dal. Stir it well with the masala. Now is the time to add the washed rice. This is 1 cup of washed rice. Nicely stir the masoor dal and the rice and ensure both the ingredients, which is the masoor dal and the rice, are nicely mixed. The rice and the dal is now well mixed. And now is a good time to add the water. So friends, here the quantity of the water that I've taken is double the amount of the dal and the rice. So to make it easier for you to understand, I've taken 1 cup of masoor dal and 1 cup of rice. So here I've taken 4 cups of water. So this is double the amount of the ingredient that you've taken. So this is 4 cups of water that I'm adding in here. Just stir it well. Now this mixture has come to a boil. I'm gonna cover it and cook until it's done on sim. Just sim the heat, sim your gas and cover until your mixture is cooked. So now friends, you can see that the pulav is all cooked and ready, steaming hot, and can be gobbled right away. So let me just give it a nice stir. And serve. Ready to eat. There you go. This is a wholesome meal, friends. Very good for the winters. This can be accompanied with some curds or some salad as well. So there you go. Your wholesome meal is ready to gobble. It's steaming hot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the upcoming videos. Bye-bye.